Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of shorts to fit vintage Tammy dolls. They were made by the Ideal Toy Corporation. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download this free printable sewing pattern. There's a helpful link in the description below this video on YouTube. Use the pattern to cut out all the pieces shown. Lay one piece on top of another, keeping right sides, so the colorful sides together. Stitch the crotches together. I'm using a scant 1/4 inch or 4mm seam here. Follow these directions twice so you now have a pair of unattached shorts. Clip the crotch seams. This allows for better flexibility. Open up each sewn piece and lay one on top of another, again with right sides together. Attach them along one outseam side and then press all your seams flat. Create a casing by folding once and then twice, but a little deeper that second time, and then whip stitch the casing so it's closed. If you need help with the casing or with how to do a whip stitch, there are tutorials in the description. Measure your doll's waist for elastic and cut the elastic. Attach a safety pin to the elastic's end. Send the elastic through the casing. Hold the elastic in place with a straight pin. Do this on both sides of the waist. Fold the shorts, keeping right sides together. Sew along that side seam. Your shorts should look like this now. Separate the two legs and do a double fold hem, folding once and then a second time. And again, use a whip stitch to hem this leg. Do the same with the opposite leg. Double fold hem, whip stitch. Bring the crotches together. These are the unsewn areas. And pin the crotch. Sew from one hem to the other. Now you're ready to invert the shorts. Okay, let's try the shorts on our doll. For more free printable sewing patterns to fit dolls of many shapes and sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you help spread the word. Goodbye.